Troy the train.
It's a great day for a ride, isn't it, Troy? Oh dear, Troy, the road is too dangerous for cars to drive on. It looks like Steve and Billy can't finish the road because they're out of cement. Can either of you make more cement? You're right, Troy. We need to head to Car City and get a vehicle that can help. Don't worry, Billy and Steve. We'll be back soon. Okay, Troy, let's go build a new friend who can make cement. Look at these containers, Troy. They hold the pieces to build a new vehicle. Which vehicle can make cement? A race car? A tow truck? A cement mixer? Good idea. A cement mixer is perfect. It's on its way now, Troy. Let's get back to the road and fill in those cracks. All right, Troy, let's put it all together. We need to unload the pieces first. Wow, it's nearly done now. Hello, concrete mixer. We're happy to meet you. What's your name? Christopher? Welcome to Car City, Christopher. Troy, Christopher uses his mixer to make cement. Christopher, we need your help. We're out of cement, and we need more to complete a road. Can you make us more cement? All right, Christopher. Can you work with Steve and Billy to finish the road? Wow, that's amazing. Now Steve just needs to smooth out the concrete. Well done, everyone. The road looks great. Thanks for your help, Christopher. We'll see you soon. Bye, friends. See you next time.
It's a great day for exercise, isn't it? Uh-oh, Troy. No one can cross the bridge with those trees in the way. You're right, Troy. We need to head to Car City and get a friend to help. Great. We're ready to pick up our new friend. Which one will help us get the trees out of the way, Troy? Oh, you think the crane can get the trees off the bridge? Let's take him back to the station and find out. Look out, Troy. Here it comes. Let's unload the pieces first. Do we need another piece, Troy? Of course. He can't get anywhere without those. Wow! Now the crane is coming to life. Hello, Crane. We're happy to meet you. What's your name? Charlie? Welcome to Car City, Charlie. Troy, Charlie's job is to pick up objects and move them. Great idea, Troy. Charlie, we have a job for you. Great job, Charlie. Just a few more to go, Charlie. Don't forget that last branch. Hooray! The bridge is clear. Wow, thanks a lot, Charlie. That was amazing. Bye, Charlie. See you next time. Bye, friends. See you next